Hello and welcome to this video about the benefits of signing up to Swagbucks. If you're not already familiar with Swagbucks, it's a popular rewards website that allows you to earn points or Swagbucks for completing various tasks online, such as taking surveys, shopping online, playing games, and more. So, what are the benefits of signing up to Swagbucks? Let's take a closer look. First and foremost, Swagbucks is free to join. There are no hidden fees or costs associated with signing up, so you can start earning rewards right away without having to spend any money. You'll also receive a $10 bonus for signing up through my link in the description box below. Secondly, Swagbucks offers a wide variety of ways to earn rewards. As I mentioned before, you can earn Swagbucks by taking surveys, shopping in store and online, discovering new offers, daily polls, playing games, and much more. This means that there are plenty of opportunities to earn rewards, no matter what your interests are. Some offers will pay you over $100 for completion, such as signing up to Chime and adding direct deposit, pays out $200, and games like Star Trek Fleet Command will pay you $110 for achieving a certain level once you download the game. Thirdly, Swagbucks offers a range of reward options. You can redeem your Swagbucks for gift cards to popular retailers such as Amazon, Target, and Walmart, or you can opt for cash rewards through PayPal. There are also other rewards available, such as travel miles or entries into sweepstakes. Fourthly, Swagbucks offers a referral program. This means that you can earn even more rewards by inviting your friends to sign up for Swagbucks using your unique referral link. You'll receive a percentage of the Swagbucks that your friends earn, which can quickly add up. Fifthly, Swagbucks offers a mobile app that you can download for free. This allows you to earn rewards on the go, whether you're waiting in line at the grocery store or commuting to work on the bus. Lastly, Swagbucks is a reputable and reliable rewards website. It has been around since 2008 and has paid out over $500 million in rewards to its members. Swagbucks also has a strong reputation for customer service and regularly updates its platform to ensure a smooth user experience. I have personally earned over $3,500 with Swagbucks, and I know others who have earned thousands too. Signing up to Swagbucks is a great way to earn rewards for doing things you already do online. With a range of reward options, a referral program, and a mobile app, Swagbucks is a reliable and reputable choice for anyone looking to earn rewards online. So why not give it a try and start earning rewards today? Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more money-making content.